Guys, here's that Hunter fan, but we can get a close-up. It's the light. It's dirty. Making a video of the fan. Showing up close now instead of it on the thing. So they could see it. So it's on. So now we're going to show it on low speed. There you go. You can zoom out the camera. It's supposed to be on low speed too. Super slow speed. See it. This is on low speed too, on the factory thing on the wall control. It's on the lowest speed right now. It's low. See, we're gonna click the chain again. Is this like off? Yeah, it's off. Let's go to medium. That's medium.
I can keep an eye on it all the time, but I'm like...
Yeah, that's medium, basically. It looks like low. Here's the light again. High. Here we go on high. Here's the top shot. Looks like it wobbles very slightly. It's from an up shot. Got the light on. It wobbles a little bit. Nothing to be afraid about. It's on high. Now we're gonna watch Spin Down.
What are you doing?
Making a video of it. Now we have to watch it do the spin down.
Okay.
Let's see how long this takes.
Okay, baby, little bubble.
How long is this gonna take to stop moving? Still going. How long does this thing actually take to go?
Is it warm enough in the house?
Plenty warm.
Okay.
Still going. Still going. How long is it gonna take to stop? Still going. Why is it still going? Still going. Still going. Still going. Still going somehow. Somehow it's still moving.
Has it been a long time since you've seen Randy Yesman?
No, last time he was here, I think.
Oh,
Still going.
That was
Still going.
can't remember exactly when that was. When everybody was here, he was here.
Still going.
over quite frequently. And he always tells me, Dottie, if there's anything you need, you let me know.
How is it still going?
That's pretty nice.
Yeah, when Brooke and everyone was here, he was over here.
How is it still going?
Okay.
It's still going. How is it still going? It's off. How the heck is it still going? And it's stopped. Now that was a long time that took to